Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of apps not appearing in your Google Play Store due to the parental controls being enabled on OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. Firstly, go into Google Play Store obviously, and as you can see, if I'll try to search up some game, it won't appear. So all you have to do is go back, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then go into settings, family, now go into parental controls. Now you can either tap here and change the restriction, so you have to type in the pin, tap on OK, and here you can change the restriction, or just completely turn off parental controls, and that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.